Did you know a mild-mannered baker in Alaska was secretly hunting women like wild animals for over a decade? In 1971, hikers began finding bodies scattered across Alaska's remote wilderness. The victims were always women, always in impossible-to-reach locations. Robert Hansen seemed like the perfect neighbor. He owned a popular bakery, had a wife and kids, and loved hunting. But Hansen had a twisted secret. He would kidnap women, fly them to isolated areas in his private plane, then release them into the wilderness. What happened next was pure terror. Hansen would give them a head start, then hunt them down with rifles and bows like they were deer. For 12 years, Hansen played this sick game. His victims realized too late they weren't being rescued. They were prey in a human hunting expedition. Everything unraveled when Cindy Paulson escaped from his hunting cabin and gave police detailed testimony about Hansen's operation. Investigators found at least 17 victims, but Alaska's vast wilderness likely hides many more bodies that will never be discovered.